Hey, fourth grade. I missed you guys. Hope y'all are doing well, and your first week of virtual learning is amazing. I wanted to talk to you about our video this week. Well, every week actually. The beginning part of the videos is going to be me talking about our vocab words and kind of the beginning of the lesson. And then it's going to switch to the second part of the video, which is your how-to, okay? So you have to watch the whole video, and here's why. There's going to be a secret word, okay, that you're going to have to type into the exit ticket at the end of the lesson, okay? So after you get done with the video, after you get done with like doing your work and stuff, there's going to be a little puzzle piece in the folder for the week that's going to say exit ticket, okay? You're going to need to click on it, and in there it's going to ask for the secret word, okay? One of these vocab words that we're going to learn about is your secret word, and I'm going to tell you. It's going to show up on the bottom of the screen, and I'm going to say, this is the secret word, okay? So pay close attention, make sure you're listening, because we got a lot of vocab today. You don't need to remember all this vocab by memory. You just need to make sure that you have it, and I wanted to put it on this video so that you can refer back to it if you need to, okay? So here we go. We're going to be learning 3 principles of design and 3 elements of design, okay? So here we go. The first thing we're learning about is color, okay? Today with color, we're going to be learning about rainbow colors, okay? The color wheel, all in order. You're going to need to know it. And I'm going to have a picture of the colors you need. I'm going to have a picture of the color wheel. Everything's going to pop up for you soon. But you're going to need to know your rainbow order, your Roy G. Biv, plus your other colors. So your primary, your secondary, and your tertiary colors, okay? We'll talk about that in just a second, all right? So color is your first vocab word, okay? The next one is value, okay? So the only reason we're talking about this one is because we're not going light to dark, but we are gonna have to worry about kind of blending colors, and value is the best way to kind of explain that. So when you're listening to my how-to, you need to really pay attention to how I'm talking about how I'm blending my colors to create something that's on a value scale, okay? We're gonna be going from like red to red-violet, okay? So it needs to blend together. This is why we're talking about value today, okay? Our last element of art is line, okay? Today we're going to be talking about lines, and we're going to be talking about wavy lines, okay? Or there's another way that we call it, it's a hill lines, okay? Like a big old hill that you have to climb, okay? Hill lines, remember that right there, okay? It's going to be really important, okay? There's tons of lines, don't forget, there's so many lines. Now, actually, let me go back to that. You're going to get to choose a type of line that you're going to be working with, and I'm going to put a line chart up here in just a minute, okay? And it'll be in your video so that you can go back and refer to it when you're ready to start doing your project, all right? Here goes our principles of design, all right? We've got 3. First one is pattern. As soon as you see the lesson, you're going to know why I said pattern. We're going to be talking about a checkerboard pattern. You guys should know that. You know, whatever colors you choose, it's every other color, okay? So a pattern, all right? It's like an A-B pattern. You learned that in kindergarten, okay? So like red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, blue, green, black and white, those kind of colors, okay? So, pattern. All right, emphasis, okay? I don't think we've ever talked about this, all right? But emphasis means that we are putting emphasis on something in your picture. We're putting a focus on something, okay? So let's look at this right here. There's this gumball machine. You can see that they're all yellow except for this one, pink one. We're putting a focus, or we're putting an emphasis on something here, okay? Same thing with these buildings. You can see all these buildings are purples, but then we have this one building that has a lot of detail and different colors. That's where our eye gets drawn to. We're putting emphasis on something. We want it to stand out, okay? Here's the last example. These scissors right here. You can see that all the scissors are black and white. They're not colored in except for this one pair, okay? We're wanting it to stand out. We're wanting it to have a focus so that your eye goes to it. That's the emphasis. Now, our project today is going to have emphasis on something, okay? And the last one is movement, okay? Movement. This is how I teach my little ones about it. We're moving it, okay? Movement can be a lot of things. This is important. We're going to be doing something like this right here, okay? So movement just means that your picture looks like it's moving. Like if we look at this one right here, you can tell that there's clouds and there's wind. Okay, looks like it's moving. You can tell there's movement. Okay, this is more of like an optical illusion, which we're going to be doing today, and you're going to see that it looks almost like it's moving. Okay, so those are our words for today. All right, it was a lot. Thank you for listening. Okay, but here's our project. We are creating an optical illusion rainbow. Now, you can see the optical illusion in the back. This is where we talked about wavy lines. You're going to be able to create your own pattern that goes through the middle. And this is where all your colors, okay, and your value, your blending is going to come in. Value is your secret word. Value, okay? Value, remember that. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do this right here. It's very fun. It's actually very relaxing. You're going to get started on it today. You're probably not going to finish it, and it's okay. It's going to be a 2-week lesson, okay? So today, what I'll probably have you do is start on the checkerboard, wait for the color, okay? You're going to have everything that you need on the video, all right? So I'm really excited. Value is your secret word. Don't forget to do the exit ticket, okay? All right, guys, I'm excited to show you this. You're going to really love it. It's a fun, relaxing way to jump back into art. So 4th grade, good luck on your optical illusion picture. We will see you soon. Have a great rest of your week, Lions.